In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Jira workflows efficiently. Jira workflows are essential for managing tasks and project progress, as they allow you to customize processes and ensure everything runs smoothly. To get started, you'll need to access your Jira board. Once you're on your board, locate the three dots icon situated at the top right corner. This is often referred to as the More menu. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu where you should select the option labeled Manage Workflows. This action will redirect you to the workflow screen, which will visually present the workflow as a diagram. This diagram is crucial because it provides an overview of all the stages and transitions that exist in your current process. When you look at the top panel of this workflow screen, you'll notice several options available for you to customize your workflow. This top bar is your toolkit for enhancing and tailoring the workflow to your specific needs. Here, you can add new statuses, which represent different steps in your process, such as to do, in progress, or done. You also have the option to add transitions, which are the movements between these statuses. Transitions help you define the path a task might take through its life cycle, allowing for flexibility as project requirements evolve. Additionally, there are rules you can implement to automate actions or enforce certain conditions within the workflow, which can save time and reduce errors. A particularly powerful feature in this setup is the ability to create connections between statuses. You can do this simply by clicking and dragging from one point on a status and connecting it to another. This intuitive interaction allows you to visualize and build the connections that best represent your team's process. By customizing these connections, you can manage how tasks are passed from one phase to the next, ensuring a smooth flow of work. As you work through creating your custom workflow, you'll find that Jira provides a lot of versatility. While getting started might seem daunting, feel free to experiment with these features. Try different configurations, add various rules for transitions, and test out how statuses interact with one another. This experimentation will help you understand the logic that best suits your team's processes and improve your overall project management efficiency within Jira. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Jira workflows, giving you more control over how projects are managed, tracked, and delivered. So, feel free to dive in, explore the options available, and craft the optimal workflow for your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy Jira navigating!